Hello and welcome to today's episode of Juicing with Mary. Today we are kind of throwing a few things in. We have pears, some ginger, grapefruit, a little piece of cucumber, carrots, and we're again going to be juicing our last golden beet. So we had fun with that last time. So let's go ahead and get started. I think I'm going to start. I'm going to cut this beet just to make it a little bit easier, and then we'll get going. Juice this one on high because it's a little rough. Oh yeah. Look how cool it looks inside. Just watching, so the greens are not as fluffy as before. Ooh, great color, right? All right, on to the carrots. We bought a huge bag of carrots at Costco for $4, and it lasted so many juices. It's been great. All right, next let's do some ginger. You can have that kind of juicing with the other things. Cucumber. Ooh, yeah. And all right, this is grapefruit. Just pause for a second here, kind of collect what we have left, just give the juicer a little break. All right, it's looking very interesting in there. Orange and greens, and it smells good. All right, and I'm gonna do the last on low, just because they're a little bit softer, just to see kind of what the difference is. It does sound lower, that's for sure. All right, and I think we got that. I'm just gonna give it a little stir. So I put ice in the bottom again, like I did before. We also put some bee pollen that we got at the farmer's market, and I think there were also some chia seeds. So I thought I'd pour it out and let everyone, see the beautiful colors. So over some ice, just so it's a little chilled. All these vegetables are pretty much, they're in the refrigerator, but out. So voila, there you have it. Interesting concoction of just whatever I found in the refrigerator. So hope you have a good night, and thanks for joining me.